Thank you for watching this video. We're going to show you how to trim, train, and propagate bamboo. Specifically here, we have Bambusa obahami, which is giant timber bamboo, grows up to about 55 feet. We're going to show you how to trim it and train it so it can be a better screen down below, maybe first, second, third floor. This is when we planted it here in my yard, for example, back in August of 2020. It's now October of 2022. Enjoy the video. I just wanted to mention that when this was planted in my yard, I was like, what is going on? What am I receiving here? I just received this little stub here, basically. And the gentleman, who is a dear friend of mine now, said, listen, you are purchasing the root ball. Amen, which we are going to be talking about here in a minute. You're purchasing the root ball. You're not purchasing what's above ground right now. So the heartbeat of this plant is in the root ball. And now we're going to talk to you about how that turned into this within 2 years. And look how beautiful that is. Stay tuned. Here we are with the 2.5-year-old Bamboo-Nursery obahami, giant timber bamboo. Installed a little over 2 years ago here on my property from Bamboo-Nursery.com. And we're talking today about how to trim the giant timber bamboo down to a level that you want it to fill in for privacy and etc. So once you start to see these nodes, that's usually how you will see them when they're this young. But you might see them, this is more rare than not at this early in their stage, but these are absolutely beautiful because you can see them coming out. So this is good for our video. And this has one just about at every node, which is incredible. So anywhere up there, up to 15, 20 feet, whatever you want, and you should stagger them. You know, you should put some at 5 feet, some at 10 feet, some at, if you're trying to do a fence. And then more will come out down the bottom as time progresses. And when you cut those, of course, you will be encouraging more bamboo poles to come up from the ground. So that's really as simple as it is. I'm going to ask the doctor of bamboo here if I missed anything. What do you think?
I think you're perfect.
Dr. Bamboo. So look for those. This one's a very young one. Okay, you probably want to let that grow a little bit more, right, George? Let that grow a little bit more. But once they get up to, as you can see, this high, those are up about 20 feet at least. You can cut them. And you can let them grow a little more if you want to, but maybe you want to cut one up here at 10 feet, then one up at 20, and then just keep on staggering them. You know, this was the original one we put in right here. As you can see, that's the older one, and it's just a smaller, bamboo pole. Anyway, that's how you cut and trim bamboo. The next video we're going to do, as you can see, we've just cleared out just the top soil of this beautiful bamboo pole here that we're going to be using to propagate. So you can see the original bamboo that we planted here that is going up. It's absolutely beautiful, 2.5 years maybe old. And then here we want to propagate the bamboo because this pole is ready. It's up about, I don't know, 20 feet if you really measure it right to the end of that, about 20, 22, 25 feet, something like that. Anyway, that's ready to be transplanted. And what you want to do, this is the mother plant over here. So you want to cut it as close as you can to here because that's where it's feeding off of from the mother plant. Cut it right here to propagate it. And then you have all your roots coming out this way. As you can see, this is just the top layer of them. But all the roots are coming out this way. So cut it here, and then you can transplant it, as you can see that we've done with some of these. And I'm going to have the boss tell us some more.
Cut it here.
Yep. Cut it there.
Come around.
Okay.
Come around. Around here.
Gotcha. Okay.
So this is this is where the roots are.
That's the heartbeat.
Right there.
That's the root ball.
Coming in off of.
I gotcha.
You know,
okay.
So
save that. Up. Gotcha. Instead of just ripping it out.
Dig it
Cut
out.
A nice root ball around it.
Cut it out and lift it out.
Okay. And then lift it straight up. Don't pull.
In.
Yeah. Gotcha. Okay. All right, guys, we have to add is when you cut this out of here, this beautiful root ball, up here, you want to top it. Now, where you want to top it is not incredibly important, but 10, 15, 20 feet tall, depending on where you want it to kind of come out at first. So if you're going up a second floor, you might want to do it 12 to 15 feet, but you definitely want to top this when you transplant it. You have to top it because that will promote the root ball to grow out instead of that one bamboo pole going up.
It won't go up.
It will not. We just had some thin rope, so in order to not injure the tree, what you want to do is wrap it around multiple times so it has multiple points of contact on the new, growth and on the original tree. That way you won't injure the tree by just doing one or two, loops of really thin rope. So here we see the 7-gallon bamboo that I planted in the old house I used to live in. This is back many years ago. And then 3 years later, you can see the incredible growth. Ironically, I didn't even trim that one, but you can see how great it grew out. This one is one of our test plants. You can see we've trimmed that down pretty nicely. We're training that one also as the days go on. So just to reiterate, this is what you're going to be buying. Well, this is what we sell. Just those little stalks right there, but you're buying the heartbeat. You're buying the, base, the roots of the plant. And in just a few short years, you will be absolutely amazed on how beautiful these become. Please visit us at bamboo-nursery.com. Thanks for watching.